This is one of the cheekiest card controls of all time, but I love it so much. Let's go ahead and take a look at this card. We have the Queen of Clubs. I would invite the spectator to tell me when to stop. We're just gonna go ahead and lose this card somewhere in the middle of the deck, right over here. So you can see the card goes right in the center. It's not gonna be on the top or the bottom. However, if I just snap my fingers, that card actually jumps right to the top. This is known as the Bluff pass, and it's essentially another version of the riffle force, but instead of holding a break in the middle of the deck and forcing the card at the break, you are instead forcing the card to be the second card from the top. So a card is chosen and remembered, in this case the Ace of Diamonds. You're going to catch a break on this top card as you riffle the cards, asking the spectator to tell you when to stop. It truly does not matter when they say stop. Wherever they do, you're going to do exactly what you would normally do with a riffle force, but instead of picking up half the deck, you are going to now pick up just one single card. You might think that this is going to be hard to pull off. Believe me when I tell you that I've done this thousands of times and have never once been caught. The main reason why I haven't been caught is because of this tip that I'm about to give you right now. When the spectator says stop, you are not just going to lift up your hand like this. You are going to lower your hand down so that the spectator will not be able to see the thickness of the cards. Another tip is that when I pick up the top card, I'm not just going to pick it up very loosely. I'm going to cover the entire thickness of the cards with my fingers. So this is the position that I will hold that top card in. It will look something like this. From the front view, this could very easily be a pack of cards that is just covered by my hand. So combine these two tips of holding the thickness, and the spectator will have no idea that you are just placing their card directly in the second position. Now here you can either just slap the cards down and that can be it, or another thing I like to do is I like to turn to the side a little bit. And when I do this, I'm going to use my thumb on the side to lift up about half the cards, or however far they originally said stop. And what I do is I will place the card on top and then pick up about half the cards immediately. And then I will show them this card and say, all right, we'll place your card right here in the middle. And this makes it even more convincing that their card is being left in the middle. So at full speed, it would look like this. Their card is being left in the center of the pack. And then you can show the card's not on top. And now you have full control over their card, which is in the second position. And you can do whichever trick you like.